G'day everyone. Today I'm installing my Roam Connect Cel-Fi mobile reception router. Basically it just picks up a weak signal and amplifies it. So we'll see how it goes. Have a look, see what's in the box. So pretty good. You got the antenna, the aerial cable. We get a box of goodies as well. I'll open that up and see what's in it. In that we got the modem looking thing, router thing. Got earth cable, small bag of goodies, some instructions, power cable, and the antenna as well. You do have to register them, so if it doesn't work, if you've got one and you haven't registered that, it's probably why it doesn't work. But I'll start getting it installed and then can get back to you in a little bit and show you how we go. So got the first part done, hardest part, which is got the aerial mounted. Yeah, so there's the aerial. But yeah, basically just mounted it on there, ran the cables through, up, along, there's the cable there. And the hardest part of all is getting it through the firewall. Using a stick's probably the easiest way. Something solid, like use the end of a cut-off end of a fishing rod, just the tip. And then you wrap electrical tape around and try and get it so that everything's in line, it works better. Yeah, so we'll get the unit connected and I'll get back to you. Finished off the install. As you can see, I've just put it there. Hang on, we'll turn the power on the car. We'll see some lights come on. So the light's on. And all I have to do is just register the unit. It's flashing red. I've got it wired up to the ignition, but I think what I'm going to do is I do actually have a house battery under the bonnet as well, and I'll be a lithium AGM battery, so I'll probably put it on that, and that way then I can over night time, if I haven't got the car going, I can still have it turned on. I'm just getting a switch as well, so I can turn it on and off from there. But yeah, that's how I'm going to do it. At the moment, we're just plugged into the cigarette lighter, and we'll go from there after that. When I get out to where I work, because there's no reception really out there, we'll turn it on and see if we can make a phone call. And I'll update you on that as well. G'day everyone. I put my Cel-Fi unit in, registered it this morning, registered the unit. You got to download 2 apps, which I did, and got it working this morning. Ended up, did it while I'm sitting here waiting to start work. As you can see, we got solid green light there, which means it's working. And I'm out at Brooman, which is 10, 12, maybe 15 k's away from a tower, if not more. Normally I only got one bar, but I'm now up to 3. seeing she's hooked on. Let's see if we can get a photo. Yeah, so 518, and we've got 3 bars. 3 bars? 4 bars? No, 3 bars. So that's not too bad. Going away this weekend, so we'll see what it's like when I go away, because I know I hardly get any reception where I'm going. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and yeah, leave a comment if you want, and speak to you later. Bye now.